Coming out of Daytona, we have the penalty list, and really the only person that got majorly screwed out of this is Carson Mumford with a loss of 4 positions. Now, this comes from the main event. Also, let's see here, Volland lost 3 championship points, and Kyle Chisholm lost the fastest lap, whatever. But in the main, obviously, right off the start, we have this Carson Mumford on the inside of Max and Steve. And well, we all know what happened at the beginning. Max and Steve ended up going off track, and Carson Mumford kind of got screwed out of this. You can tell he had a pretty good start, middle of the pack ish, about right there. By the time he gets to the first corner, he's what, fifth, fourth? And you can see all the people have already passed him. I mean, he's back of the pack right now, hand up, not accelerating hard. And I mean, he has definitely not made up time, not made up ground, was not accelerating, and lost a ton of positions. But apparently, he got penalized for not re entering as soon as he possibly could, which for him is probably a smart thing. If you're going to re enter there, you're doing it in the middle of a jump with other people or the whole pack around you. So I think it's perfectly smart what he did, and to not re-enter in the middle of a jump section, didn't accelerate super hard, did probably the safest thing he could have, and obviously lost a ton of time. So I don't know how you're going to get penalized worse for that. As I'm looking at this, he finished 7th, so I'm assuming that means he's down to 11th, and that really sucks for him. I mean, that's a pretty shitty outcome for a race that looked like it was going to have a pretty good start to it. But comment down below, tell me what you think. Deserved, not deserved, whatever it is. Did you like Daytona? Comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.